Hey, listen, click to the bell icon for best opportunity in your career.
Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about very important topic in recruitment and HR, Boolean search. Boolean search is very important in recruitment. So let's talk about why Boolean search is important in recruitment. In recruitment, Boolean search helps to quickly and perfectly search the perfect match candidates for open roles. Using Boolean search operator to create a complex search string, recruiter can locate a range of relevant candidates. If you know Boolean search, you will quickly fill the opening with a perfect match candidate. Let's talk about Boolean search operators. There are 5 types of Boolean search operators. Number 1, AND operator. AND operator is inclusionary and thus limits your search. Number 2, OR operator. Using OR operator broadens a search to include results that contain either of the word you are looking for. Number 3, not operator. Elements item that contain the specific terms. Number 4, quotation operator. Quotation marks are using when you are searching for specific word, combination or an exact phrase. Number 5, operator parentheses. Parentheses are used to give priority to the words contained within over the other elements around it.
So, now let's check out how to do the Boolean search on LinkedIn.
For LinkedIn Boolean search, go to your LinkedIn profile and then check out what is the job description. According to the job description, we are hiring today sales executive or manager with experience in banking industry for Mumbai location. And we have a note as well. Note, candidate should not have experience in manufacturing industry. According to this, I will show you today 5 operator which we are using in Boolean search. So first go to your search, click here and here write sales space, open the bracket, write executive, or we are hiring a manager, executive or manager. Close the bracket and in between sales and the bracket we are writing and. Okay, so why we written and or? So and result will include both terms, that is sales manager or executive, and or result will include any or both terms, means executive or manager. And we have a note here that is including not experience in manufacturing industry. So we are hiring someone who don't have experience in manufacturing industry. So write here not and write here manufacturing. Click to the search button and go to peoples, and here it's showing the various search to you, and you can do the all filters as well. In all filters you have a various option here. You can click to industry and select the banking, or we have a option of bank investment banking, and the location is Mumbai. So go to the location, add a location here, click to Mumbai, show result. So it's a showing result to you. It's showing around 15,000 result, means 15,000 candidates in LinkedIn. Just now I gave you the example of all this four operator which is mentioned below, and now I have to give the fifth operator example as well, that is known as quotation mark. Okay, so let's see how we are using the quotation mark. The quotation mark are used when you are searching for specific word or any exact phrase or exact word. For example, uh, we are hiring project manager for Pune location. Then, if we are hiring a project manager, then if we are writing any specific word like project manager, and we are doing the quotation mark, then the exact project manager word will come in specific result. Click to the search button, go to people, and at the location, as we are hiring from Pune, and you can also do more filter, going all filter, and you can select the industry or school or company, current company, past company, location, connection, and you can write the specific keywords, means first name, last name, title, company name, schooling, like this, and click to the show result. As we are written the project manager, and we did the quotation mark, and it is showing the exact phrase or exact word here. As you can see, project manager at XYZ company. So this is an example. I shown you all five quotation mark and bracket, not, or, and all five operators.
I hope you find this video useful for your career. Till then, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.